We're at an interesting juncture, both for macro and crypto markets. In both cases, we're around all-time high, but the dynamic might be very different. In traditional markets, while yields remain elevated, and that actually weighs on stocks, equities are still rising, bolstered by strong earnings from most reporting companies in the S&P 500. And so this kind of sweeps away any concern about labor shortage or supply issues. In the crypto space, the narrative is still geared towards ETF, whether the ones we have now or the ones that might come with different underlyings, different coins, etc. So the interesting dynamic that's taken place over the weekend is the relative strength of alts. So while Bitcoin has essentially settled around 61K over the past few days, or about 8% down from the new all-time high, the Bitcoin Dominance Index has also moved down below 45. So amongst best performers, Zcash has gained 35% in the past week. Solana, also a massive ramp up after being ignored for a few weeks actually. And the graph is showing some strength, along with Stacks and Luna that are outperformers as well. Now, looking at interesting but maybe unsurprising data, it's beautiful to see the open interest in CME futures grow steadily as a result of the Bitcoin ETFs now available and garnering more and more interest. In the short term, they've been live. Naturally, things can change rapidly price-wise, but it's about the engagement, and I assume the CME people must be celebrating this long-term play of listing Bitcoin and Ethereum futures in the first place, as opposed to other exchanges. Now, it's worth noting that some long-term holders have started taking profit. We can see that by following coins that haven't moved for a long time be transferred to exchanges. That's something to be aware of, but so far that type of selling has been absorbed relatively well, and the market remains at elevated, meaning 60K plus levels. Another interesting chart I'm looking at comes from Crypto Quant. So they've noticed that whales are opening positions on derivatives exchanges, and we assume to take leverage bets to the upside as we hit new key levels. And so those are often supportive of a new leg up after a period of accumulation. So looking at the chart, we might just be there, and that's extremely supportive of higher prices in the next few weeks or months. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe, share, comment. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.